In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the follow-up messages that Follow-up Fred will be sending for you, and then how you can see if it's been opened, and then how you can stop the messages if you want to manually do that. So what we need to do is, after you've installed Follow-up Fred, you'll see the logo here in the top right-hand corner, and you're going to click on Dashboard. And once you open the dashboard, you're going to see a variety of options you can choose from, but what this is going to show you is the reminder emails that are going to be sent out today, reminder emails that will be sent out tomorrow, and the reminder emails that will be sent out over the next 7 days. Now, to see the actual emails that are going to be sent out and the people you're sending them to right here, this shows that there are 3 people who have not yet responded, so Follow-up Fred is going to follow up with them on our behalf until they respond. And what we do is we just click here and we see this is the email. That's the subject line. So if you click on it, it will open up in a new window. You can see who the recipient is, when it's scheduled to be sent, how long until the message will be sent out, and then which message it's on. By default, it sends 4 messages at whatever aggressiveness level you want, but that will soon be able to change once it's out of beta. And if you want to see the actual email you sent, you can click show email and it'll show it right there. This checkbox right here shows if the email has been opened or not. So there's a tracking pixel that tracks if the user opens it. So as we can see, these 2 have not been opened and this one has. So this is for individual emails. The same concept right here is if you are sending a group email. They're separated because if you're sending a group email, you may need replies from multiple people. So you can see that right here. We also have an activity stream. The activity stream just shows us how many emails we've sent, if we sent follow-up emails, if they've been opened, and if we've actually received a response from someone. And then right here we can see the emails that Follow-up Fred has sent, if we receive responses, and if someone did not respond, we can see that too. But this just goes back right here to the dashboard where we can see everything at a very high level from a glance, how many people we're waiting on and what Follow-up Fred's going to be doing for us for the next day, then tomorrow, and then over the next 7 days.